Designed with your comfort in mind, the DreamFoam Bedding Slumber Essentials Chill Gel Memory Foam Mattress offers an elevated sleep experience at an everyday price. Our 8 inches model has a luxury firm comfort level. 2 inches of gel memory foam gently contours to your body's curves for exceptional pressure point relief, while 6 inches of high-density base foam provides structural firmness and a durable core. The DreamFoam Bedding Chill Gel Memory Foam Mattress reduces tossing and turning for a deeper, more restful night's sleep. Made in our state-of-the-art, wholly owned factory based in the United States, DreamFoam Bedding by Brooklyn Bedding is distinct in quality and price. Our personal approach to designing, stitching, and crafting industry-leading bedding products is backed by a 10-year, no-hassle. As a family-owned and operated business, DreamFoam Bedding by Brooklyn Bedding owns the manufacturing process from start to finish, promising the highest quality product for the best price. Certipur-US certified, which means that our mattress is made without ozone depletes, PBDEs, TDCPP, or TCEP, tris, flame retardants, mercury, lead, heavy metals, formaldehyde, or phthalate regulated by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Dual-layer mattress constructed with 2 inches of contouring gel memory foam and, of durable high-density base foam for ultimate support and pressure point relief. The top fabric has an environmentally friendly stain-resistant technology that guards against splashes, spills, and permanent stains. Number 2. Gel-infused memory foam helps regulate body temperature with pressure point relieving contouring. Number 3. Compressed and rolled for easy and convenient parcel shipping and setup. Number 4. Please allow up to 24 hours for the mattress to expand and the potential odor to dissipate. Number 5. 10-year warranty, proudly made in the USA. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.